Hi everyone, my name is Desiree. I am going into my second field placement. My first one was a work site placement. So I work for the Division of Family Services in Delaware, which is Delaware's Child Protective Services. I'm an investigator for them. So I work with families and kids a lot. Um, my experience with them really depends on the situation. And my unit at work does a lot of, well, we do all of the sex abuse cases and serious injuries. So anytime a child is involved in either of those things, it comes to our unit, and those are really touchy situations, and families aren't always happy to hear from us. Sometimes, they're great. It really just depends on the situation. I've had both. The basic structure of the family system that I was raised, I had a mom and a dad. I have a younger sister. It was just the four of us, but it was pretty dysfunctional. So even though it was like a nuclear family, it wasn't like the ideal situation. A role that I played within my family. Just as an older sister, I was always taught to protect my younger sister, take care of her, look out for her. So I think a lot of times that can impact how I view things because some people don't talk to their siblings at all. And that's just kind of weird to me sometimes. Um, yeah, it's just, I guess that's just how I was raised. But um, any burning questions about family work? I'm not sure. I would like to learn how to be a better mediator because at work and in my field placement last a couple semesters ago, I did family team meetings and team decision meetings, and sometimes those can get, like high emotions, and I would just like to know how to better be able to mediate and make things comfortable and flow for everyone. So I look forward to working with everybody. Have a good semester.